with another one. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over another crypto opportunity on the Binance Smart Chain, MOONIons. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, today on my channel, I was asked to do a token review on a Binance Smart Chain coin. This is a paid promotional video. I was contacted by the development team of this project to bring this to your awareness if anybody wants a new opportunity on a Binance Smart Chain. If we hop into the chart, you can see this project was released on August 16th. It's currently sitting at a $1 million market cap and it has 84,000 in liquidity. The chart looks like it's holding up, but let's hop into the website and see what this token is really about. Now, if we hop into the website, you can see what this project MOONIons is all about. This is a meme coin, community-driven project. They playing off the minions, as you can see with the characters. If we hop in, you can select English, and right on the website, it has a link to buy. So you can buy this on PancakeSwap if anybody wants to buy it. You would have to buy this on PancakeSwap. So you would need BNB, a trust wallet, and then you'll be able to connect your trust wallet and buy this on PancakeSwap. Now, if we look a little further into the website, we can find the tokenomics. They call it the moonomics of this coin. When we click on the tokenomics, you can see it's a safe view. Liquidity is locked forever. Growing and sustainable LP. A percentage of every transaction gets injected into the LP. Hold to earn tokenomics, basically meaning they give a reflection back to the holders. So 1% reflection of MOONIons distributed back to the holders. Hyper deflationary, meaning the MOONIons are burnt on every transaction to increase the speed of the burn. It's a 7% buy tax and an 8% sell tax on this project MOONIons. And they also have a community button where you can see more about the community. It shows their Twitter account live. It shows a live feed of their Twitter account. And yeah, and some more pictures, you know, just memes that you could use to spread awareness on this project if you're interested in it. Again, this is a project on the Binance Smart Chain. I'll have all of the information if anybody is interested. This was a paid promotional video. I was contacted by the development team. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.